today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sticker in Photoshop. Whether you're an artist looking to bring your designs to life or just want to create something fun and personalized, this process will guide you through everything you need to know. So let's dive in. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can easily download it from the Adobe website. Once you have it up and running, create a new document with a transparent background. This is essential because it allows the sticker to be used against any backdrop once it's finished. Now, add the image you want to turn into a sticker. Simply drag and drop your chosen file into the workspace. Make sure it's a high-resolution image to ensure your sticker comes out crisp and clear. Next, let's make a selection around the subject. We'll use the selection tool, which you'll find in the toolbar on the left. Choose the option that best fits your image. For instance, the quick selection tool is great for images with well-defined edges. Carefully drag the tool around your subject. Take your time with this step, ensuring that you capture every detail. Once your selection is complete, it's time to click on the mask button. This is an icon located at the bottom of the layers panel, and it looks like a rectangle with a circle in the middle. By adding a mask, you isolate the subject from the background, which is exactly what we need for making stickers. Sometimes the mask may not be perfect. If that's the case, you'll need to refine it. Switch to the eraser tool and select a soft edge brush. Carefully go over any unwanted areas that might have crept in or similar to ensure your cutout is as clean as possible. Now, an optional step, but a highly recommended one, is adjusting the blending options to make the image look more like a sticker. Go to the Layers panel, right-click on your layer, and choose Blending Options. Here you can tweak the brightness and contrast to give your image that punchy, eye-catching sticker look. Play around with the settings until you get the desired effect. With your image popping with vibrancy, let's add an outline. For this, look for the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Click on it and select Stroke from the menu. A new window will open where you can adjust the settings of your outline. Set the position to outside to make sure the outline contours the shape of your image. You can adjust the size and color to whatever suits your preference, usually a bold white or black, depending on its intended use. Finally, save your sticker with a transparent background. Go to File, then Export, and select PNG as your file format. And there you have it, your very own custom sticker created right in Photoshop. Feel free to experiment with different images and styles. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching and happy creating.